That's very steep. Puhog tuwid. Mun alulu amo na hindi dumaul ah. Ay, puhog. Oh, oh. Ibagbaga-tuwalin na kang nga to ya. On, di ay tuwalin na shortcut driver. That's the short. Ay, that's na. You can. You need to wait. Okay, you go now. Go on the other side. Go that way. No, you need to move a little bit so that the other guys will go. Can you wait for me? Good job, Raven.
You're right.
Yeah.
Deep.
It's steep. Look at the flower. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
It's pretty.
Yeah.
I like it.
Look, they actually did this with it. I wonder if the beans are here. I was just looking for this one.
Andi ay. Humbat hinait mabhat di taklembo.
I'm just looking for this
Eta.
What's it now?
Ulay yom tuali bo. Mehmet man. Look at the
Look, potatoes. Potatoes.
ta.
Potato. Oh.
Daddy made mo ng babalasang nga to Raven. They're so proud of you. You went for adventure.
Mama, the water.
What?
Dripping.
Oh, shucks. Eta.
Did you suck it down?
Yeah.
We need to go up.
Wow. So proud of you, Raven. Good job. Is this hard? No? It's easy? Stop here. Down here. I'll take a picture of you in there.
I'll make it a little bit high, okay?
Ba't ngay mo background mo, buddy?
Please.
Ano mo, balasang na imera mo nga to.
What do, Mama? This is what I always do to Tito Iron. Look, Mama. Look, picture me.
Yeah, I did.
Look at that. See that one?
Nangandiye. Adip idalan tawo istun dalan te. De.
Do I have extra clothes?
Wait man, wadi way lugan.
Mm.
At bay, amot at hinahi ay mun hayak ang malugit ta.
You too. Go down. Okay. Go down.
Raven. At ngon at taon among kudli no dita mi kudli. Ulayam tuali. Ulayam Raven te tuwera de ay. Tuwera wara kahuna de. Dainan. Ibuleta ni Raven. Sto.
Like that.
Raven, ibati mo na nam. Tuwera na ng kaho. Say hi to the doggy, see? The dog is going back home already. Wow, look at the dog. Yeah, they're so cute. See, Grandpa already went up high. Amuna, Raven, amuna. Amuna, alito may nga to.
Yes.
Amuna, stop ana.
Look, I see the dogs.
Nandan ay.
The dogs.
Adi amipi. Mono ka na. Kaluhi umuhonong. Ah! Hey. Mono ka na niyan. Tumado ba? Tanda boleh ya?
Can I sit down?
Ot agam pakai numpun na ni.
You sit down here.
Lagi apa na boleh?
No, we just need to eat chocolate.
Dana chocolate mo.
Okay. Take my bubble gum.
Ha?
Take the bubble gum.
This is more challenging than the one that we hike with Auntie Lorna, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is one more
Challenge.
challenge.
Bubble gum.